Good morning, everyone, and what is up? Today is currently Saturday, August 1st, meaning the trading month of July is officially over. I've been waiting to make this video until I finally collected all my payouts and I collected all my spending so I can show you guys exactly how much I actually made and how much I spent in the month of July in prop firms as a full-time prop firm trader, because it's easy for me to go online and tell you guys how much I make, but I feel like everyone tries covering their spending. And as someone who's in the industry himself, the spending is a lot, as you can see by all these receipts. I spend a lot of money, and so do a lot of people in the trading space that lie to you. And my goal is to be transparent. I want to be different. I don't want to be the same scammer as everyone else. So my goal is to show you guys the reality of trading, what to expect, what not to expect. And this month was a very good month for me. I actually did my record month in payouts, generating over $53,000, or sorry, $52.4 thousand in prop firm payouts. Now, spoiler alert, I did spend over 5 figures. So let's go over how much I made and spent for the month of July, right? First prop firm on the list is going to be none other than the great Lucid Trading. I spent around $4,140 on evaluations, and this was to make $17,000 in payouts, meaning our total profit was just around $14,000 with Lucid. Our spending is here. All the screenshots, you can see this ages back from July 1st all the way up to July 15th. That is when I passed my accounts and got moved to live. These are all Lucid Max evals. Lucid Max evals are not subjectable to discounts, meaning you pay full price and that is it. They are $180, no activation fee. So if you want to do the math yourself for this, that's why I put these screenshots up here so you guys can fact check me if I have something mistaken. Each one of these transactions is $180. So you could scroll through this, count the lines, they're each $180. And payouts earned this month, right, were $14,175 in confirmed actual payouts, and then $1,700 that I requested yesterday and $900 that I requested yesterday. So $14,175 plus we're going to receive another basically $2.7 thousand, which is going to put us at $16.9 thousand in payouts. That's why I rounded it up to 17,000. So $16.9 thousand in payouts for the month of July. This is all from our live accounts. We are no longer unfunded, right? Alpha futures. When I say I turned $0 into $17,000, obviously I didn't turn $0 into $17,000. What I mean by that is if you look here, my payment history, my last subscription was made on June 14th and it was a rebill, right? Before that, it was on the activation fees for the premiums that I took all my payouts from was on June 8th. I've had these accounts for like 2 months. I didn't even blow them. I was actually 1 day away from another $10,000 payout, and I got the accounts removed because of the whole alpha futures situation where they removed the premium plan, so everyone actively trading them could no longer trade them. And I had 4 accounts at $4,800. So I was literally about to request another $10,000 payout, which is ridiculous. And they got rid of them. And here are my payouts. Now, usually, they do give you payouts in batches of each account individually. The only reason, and I want to make this clear, because as an Alpha Futures affiliate, the way they pay you out with affiliate is just one payment like this. This is not my affiliate with Alpha. I'll show you guys if you guys want how much I make off my Alpha Futures code. I think I make like $400 a month off it. I don't promote Alpha Futures that much. I don't recommend their prop firm right now currently with everything going on. I recommend Lucid over any other prop firm. But please note, this is not an affiliate payout. I wanted to make that clear just in case someone wanted to call me out for that. The only reason this payout got paid out in one large bunch instead of individual little segments is simply because Alpha Future removed their premium plan. And when they did that, instead of manually approving each payout, they found all the pending payouts and just paid them out in large batches. So you'll find a lot of people who had premium plans got paid out in one large batch instead of small individual accounts, right? So next up on the list is Topstep. With Topstep, I spent $2,500 to take around $5,000 in payouts. Now, we are not done. We still have these accounts. I want to make it clear. I still have 2 Lucid Live accounts. I don't have Alpha Future accounts because they got rid of their plan. I still have my Topstep accounts. So the spending is still going towards payouts that I should receive in August in theory, right? So Topstep, I spent $2,500 to make $5,000. You can add all of these up. This is from July 30th all the way to July 13th. You can see the only reason I included these in June 23rd is so you guys can actually add up the dates where it stopped. You know, it's easy for me to screenshot July 13th as if that was the most recent account I bought, but maybe I bought all the way back from July 1st. But I want to show you guys that I didn't buy any accounts from June 23rd to July 13th because I actually had accounts I was actively trading and taking payouts from. Now, I do want to mention these accounts that I bought all on the 30th were 10 evaluations I bought because I hit daily loss limit on my account, so I was worried that I was going to blow them. Usually what proceeds after I hit daily loss limit on an account is I blow it. Why? Because I'm so deep in drawdown. I ended up recovering and bringing the accounts out of drawdown, and they're back at a $2,400 or $2,300 balance. So it's pretty promising for a payout on Topstep. And while I was tripping about blowing them, I bought 5 evaluations. I hit daily loss limit. I bought 5 more. I hit daily loss limit. I waited till the next trading day, which was Friday. Friday comes. I'm copy trading 10 evals. The leader gets blown by 1 point, and the 9 followers hit TP. But since the leader got blown, the followers got stopped out, and the followers all had $300 left in them, so I just deactivated everything. So I don't even have these evals anymore. I just have 5 XFAs, but I was planning on passing 10 evals to have backups for when the time comes and I lose my accounts. I often do that with prop firms. If I find myself I'm in drawdown on my fundeds and it looks like I'm going to blow them, I'll just buy some evals and try to pass them or try to half pass them so I don't have to deal with that time curve, right? So next up, all right, here are the payouts. Sorry, I forgot to show you the payouts. 1,350 requested per account. Actually paid after profit split was 1,215 across 4 accounts. Add that up. You'll get 1,200 times 4, 4,800 plus 60. I think it's 4,860 is what I actually got in my bank. Tradeify, I believe so at least. Tradeify, I turned $2,600 into $8,000. I still have these accounts. I just requested this payout yesterday as well. You can add all these orders up. The reason half of them say 0 is because that's how it works when you buy a bundle. You can see you can buy the Tradeify Select 50K bundles, right? If you guys want me to make it more clear what accounts I'm trading with each prop firm, I will. Lucid, I'm on live, like I mentioned before. Alpha Futures, I was on the premium plans. Topstep, I'm on their daily loss limit and consistency program because I'm on the focus trader program. You're an idiot if you buy those accounts willingly. They're so bad. It's just Topstep is a good firm and they will pay me out and I love their platform. So I'm literally forced to trade them. Like I forced myself to trade them. But their actual accounts that I'm trading suck. If you can, please just get their normal accounts. No reason not to. Tradeify, $2,600 into $8,000. You can see my spending here, 0, 0, 0, 0, 0, and then 540. Why is that? Because the bundle is what you order, and then they gift you 5 free accounts, right? So it's like you buy a $540 package, and then you can see 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 accounts are handed to me. What do you see here? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 accounts are handed to me. But what I do, 50K growth, 5-pack. Then 2 select 50Ks, or sorry, 4 I guess. And then over here I bought a select 50K 5-pack, select 50K 5-pack, right? So I am buying 5-packs. That's how I buy them. They're discounted and it's so convenient. I hate checking out with prop firms because you have to just like sit there and buy and buy and buy, and it is so demoralizing. Like, let me spend my money with you and let me do it in an effective way where I don't have to waste my time and where I don't have to consciously think about each purchase, right? Let me be on tilt and just buy the fundeds, please. All right? Payouts with them under review, they're going to get approved. They don't get denied. Your payouts will not get denied with prop firms. The prop firms I trade will not deny your payouts. If a prop firm is denying your payouts, I don't know what to tell you. Just stay the fuck away from that prop firm. And the only reason it's still under review is because I did request it at a Friday at like 8 p.m. So they're not working. This should get approved either Sunday night or probably Monday morning, to be honest. Next up, Funded Next. I did only buy 5 Rapid accounts. The reason these are 2 different images is because it had for some reason, Fund the Next puts your like transactional information in between the date and the thing, so I had to kind of crop that part out. I did just buy 5 accounts of 150, and that is it. Or yeah, 5 accounts of 150. Yeah, okay. And then we did end up taking around $4,400 in payouts. Feel free to add this up. Or sorry, $5,400 in payouts. Add this up again, 1,080, and this is after profit split. This is after profit split. Pre-profit split, I did $1,200. I built a balance of $3,600 per account, and then I requested the max payout, which was $1,200 per account. After profit split comes out to $1,080 to my bank, and the annoying part is that I was one winning day away from requesting another $1,200, and I blew the accounts. So it should have been, easily could have been, not should have been, could have been $11,000 in payouts with $750 in spending, which would have been the highest ROI out of any account here. Now, my funded futures, I literally just bought yesterday 5 rapid accounts. Do the math. 2 transactions failed because I'm actually broke and my credit card declines. All jokes aside, I don't know what it is with my funded futures. Every time I buy an account with my funded futures, my bank account just starts thinking it's complete fraud. Every time I buy, maybe it's because I just don't use them often, and maybe my bank account is just used to other prop firms, but I don't think I've spent $1 with my funded futures in the year of 2026. So they'll probably like, oh, what is this? Is this fraud? And they called it for fraud like multiple times. And you could see 78 processed, 125 declined, and these were not purchased, and then 125 were purchased 3 different times. So I bought 3 accounts for 125 and then 2 for 78. Do the math. Should be under $540. And that concludes my spending for all prop firms. So if you add all of this up, you will get a grand total of, I have a screenshot right here, $10,400, I believe. Wait, no, sorry, 10,350 plus $10,550, because I had my funded futures undercalculated. I thought I spent $350 with my funded futures, but it was actually closer to $550. So if you add $200 to my original spending, it was $10,550 spent on prop firms. How much did we make? Right? Let's just do the math again. Right? $5,400 from Fund the Next, $8,000 or 1,662.94 times 5 puts us at that. And now we get Tradeify. That was Tradeify. These guys 1,215 times 4 plus this is $8,600 plus 1,620 times 5. We're already at $35,000 with all these prop firms, plus $17,000 with Lucid Trading. Puts us at $52,274. So when we subtract that from our previous spending of what I believe was like $10,500, estimate we're up around $42,000 on the month. This is pure profit after spending, made around 52, spent around 10.5, or whatever it was that I just showed you guys. It could have been more than 10.5, but I think it was exactly 10.5 or 10,550. So let's subtract $50 to be generous. $41,724 made in pure profit in the month of July. You guys, this entire video is not meant for me to show you guys my statements. I do want to document everything, and I want to be as transparent as I can with you guys. But I also want to show you guys that you need to understand that prop firms are an ROI game. It is literally just a return on your investment. And I hate when people tell me like, oh, you can just open a live account and like the ROI on a live account is much harder. It's really, much bigger. It's really not. It's really not. Name another trading influencer who has 5x'd, because that's what I did. I put $10,000 in and I got $50,000 out. I 5x. That is a 500% return on my investment in a single month, right? If you're doing that with a live account, the odds are you're trading it very recklessly and you're trying to flip it, and you've probably blown it tens of times before successfully flipping it, right? So a prop firm is literally the only tool where you can see a 500% return on your investment on a monthly basis. Now, on average, this is not average. On average, I probably do 250 to 300% return on my monthly investment, in the sense that like I'll spend 10, 15,000, but I'll only make $25,000. This month was an anomaly. I did my best trading month yet, and I could have done so much more. I had so much more potential this month. Unfortunately, Alpha got rid of their premiums, and I blew my fund index accounts. There was so much potential this month. Extremely unfortunate, but we still ended up cooking. I hope you guys enjoyed how transparent this video was. Literally showing you guys every transaction from my bank account this month in person, so you guys can understand what the reality of being a prop firm trader is like to its fullest extent. And I hope you guys enjoyed this video. I hope you guys took something out of it. I will see you boys either tomorrow or later this week for a fully educational video covering a lot more confluences that I don't teach too often. So I hope you boys all have a blessed day. Free Discord is in bio. I do weekly giveaways for Lucid accounts. If you guys are not in that already, you're literally just missing out on free money, free daily buys, free everything. I hope you guys have a blessed day, and I'll see you boys in the next one. Peace out.